welcome to Koh Samui. Okay, so today I'm only doing one video of Koh Samui, and then I'm going to do one of the national park. They're going to be separate, so it's going to be a lot of beaches and biking and walking and stuff like that. But as you can see, the party's already started early. There's a boat out here, don't know if you can hear. They got the tunes blasting, so they must have a party going on over there. And we have a deserted beach. As you can probably tell from my last video, I don't know if I posted it or not, but getting here was an ordeal. My good God, crossing that border was such a nightmare. I do apologise for cursing in that video, if you did watch it, but it just went horribly wrong. Just horribly wrong. But good to get it over and done with, out of the way. As soon as I got to Thailand, everything just went smooth. So it was a long day getting here, but it still went smooth. So it was a 6-hour mini bus ride. It was a bit cramped, but wasn't too bad. Then it was an hour and a half ferry crossing and an hour and a half coach ferry, and then another minivan to get to my hotel. I left Hatyai at 8 AM and I arrived at 6 PM. So it was a long day traveling, but it was smooth. It was smooth. It was a hell of a lot easier than the border crossing. But hey, you can't have it all perfectly good. Koh Samui has it all. It has the beaches, it has temples, it has the nightlife, it has everything you need for a beautiful holiday. I love this island. Just even like when you rent a bike, apparently it's the most dangerous road in Thailand, but if you use common sense and just, take your time, it'd be grand. The roads are terrible condition, some of the back roads. So you just take your time, you're on holiday, so you want to get there, but be safe. My drone isn't working at the moment. The app on my phone, I wanted to get some beautiful aerial videos of here. It's not working. I'm like, look at that water. Look how beautiful that is. Check out this beach. It's 10 AM. It's deserted. There's no one around. So there are private beaches and there are public beaches that you can find deserted all around Thailand. This is my second beach now that I've been to, and there's been no one on it. Maybe because everyone who's coming to the beach is going to the resort places and they're just all chilling there on the beach. Anyway, it's beautiful. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'm not sure how long I'll do this more. I'll just probably do loads of b-roll. That's that slow motion footage. I think that's a bit better. Lamai Beach. I'm actually just staying right around the corner from here, but I thought I'd get this last on the way back. As you can see, there's loads of people behind me, so there's a lot of bars and restaurants on the side of the beach, so you can just kind of chill there, eat in the shade and all, and drink and have a few beers and hop into the water. The water does be lovely. It's not cold like Ireland. which is weird, but yeah, you just get in. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I hope you've been enjoying the video so far. I'm gonna leave it there because I didn't want to make this one too talky, because, well, you know, no fairness, the beautiful beaches speak for themselves, and I think I'll probably make that my screenshot, the thumbnail. And yeah, next video will be hopefully the national park, if the weather's good. It's supposed to be terrible. It's supposed to be raining today, actually. Thunderstorms as well forecast for the rest of the week, but I don't mind. I'm just going to be swimming in the swimming pool and chilling at the hotel and getting all my stuff done. I'm not really a beach goer, but I'll try to get a bit of sunbathing in as well. And yeah, we'll go from there. And up to Bangkok, and then I'm doing photography and normal work up there, and so there won't be a video of much of Bangkok, maybe one or two, but we'll see how we get on. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think of Koh Samui. Have you been here before? Have you enjoyed it? I think it's fantastic.